If you want to excel in maths and science, then do click on the link given in our description box and visit on the website of Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya and do enroll on our Don't Memorize course which you can avail up to 90% discount. Here you can enhance your maths and science skills with the help of our conceptual videos, flashcards for quick revision, mock test as per latest pattern of your exams with 24 into 7 doubt clearance sessions with the facility of masterclass. To get extra 10% discount in addition, you can use our coupon code that is NT10. So for more details, check out the link given in our description box.
Hello everyone, so in this video we will be talking about why are coal and petroleum so versatile. So first subheading we will cover why are coal and petroleum so versatile. Secondly, we will also know about conserving coal and petroleum and what are the misuses of energy resources and consequences. So let's start our topic. So before coming up to our topic, why are coal and petroleum so versatile? First we need to know about the formation of coal. So the plants in large and dense forest in low-lying wetlands go buried under the soil due to the natural processes like floods and earthquake. As more and more soil deposited over them, the organic matter was compressed and the temperature also rose. As the organic matter sank deeper and deeper under high pressure and high temperature, these dead plants slowly converted to coals. As coal contains mainly carbon, and the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is known as carbonization. Since coal are formed from the remains of vegetation, it is also called as fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are made from decomposing plants and animals, and these fuels are found in Earth's crust and contain carbon and hydrogen, which can be used for energy. For example, coal, petroleum, and natural gas are few examples of fossil fuels. Let's learn about the formation of petroleum. So friends, petroleum was formed from the remains of tiny organisms called plankton that were found in the bottom of seas and oceans. So you will find these planktons in the bottom of seas and oceans. Plankton have tiny droplets of oil inside their bodies. As these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of sea or ocean and covered with the layer of sand and clay. So over million of years, due to this absence of air, high temperature and high pressure, these dead organisms gets transformed into petroleum and natural gas. Like coal, petroleum and natural gas are also formed from the dead remains that are known as fossils of living organisms. Hence, they are also known as fossil fuels. Now, if we talk about why are coal and petroleum so versatile, as coal consists of mainly carbon, while petroleum consists of a mixture of compounds called hydrocarbons, and hydrocarbons contain mainly hydrogen and carbon. So, these compounds make good starting materials for other compounds based on carbon. Carbon is very versatile in nature and on the basis of most of the materials, therefore, coal and petroleum are very important starting materials for synthesizing variety of useful compounds. That's why coal and petroleum are so versatile in nature. Now, let's talk about conserving coal and petroleum. In simple terms, the price of anything depends on how much of it is available and how essential it is. Both coal and petroleum are exhaustible resources, but we need them both as fuel as a starting material for synthesizing new compounds. Since supplies are limited and they are becoming more expensive as the demand for them increases. So, what do we mean by conservation? Conservation is the care and protection of these resources so that we can persist for future generations. It includes maintaining diversity of species, genes, and ecosystems as well as functions of the environment. So, we have to conserve these resources as much as possible and also look for the alternatives for the resources. So what we can do for that? We can reduce the consumption of both coal and petroleum by first point is opting for a different model of development which does not depend on these resources. Secondly, reduce the wastage of these resources. Since the first option is right now impracticable, second option of reducing wastage is to be practiced. The governments of many countries are working on this problem of finding alternative technologies to reduce the use of fossil fuels. So now let's talk about the misuse of energy resources and consequences. So in our daily life, while doing various day-to-day activities, we use many types of energy resources and fuels without giving a thought about the exhaustibility of these resources and consequences. For example, if we talk about in urban areas, dryers are used in washing machines which consume lot of electric energy, even though abundant source of heat energy is in the form of sunlight available to us. So we can easily use that sunlight for our purposes. Similarly, nowadays we use motorbikes even for a shorter distances that we can also cover by walking or using bicycles. That will not only save our fuel and also keeps our health good. So this is all we have in this video. I hope friends you have liked this video. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.